Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your SONY LinkBuds Fit on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and then go to search. Click on search line or click on search here and write Sony. Now search and you should install this application. Read, select your region here, and then click Start. Agree and proceed. Agree and start using. OK. Hello. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!